Hey guys, you're full of Bar Stop Jack here. We are here at Sport Goofy. Now, we all know Sport Goofy must be at All-Star Sports. Get it? Sport Goofy basically is our merch store. So we haven't been in here in a little bit. Just want to kind of come in and check out and see what's new and exciting. So there are a few things that did jump out when we kind of coasted through here. I'm going to start over here. It is getting very, very, very close to 4th of July. And I don't think we've seen these ears, but they are fantastic. So obviously flag mini ears. Stars and Stripes is awesome. $36.99 for that. Then you also then come right in with the American Original Disney tee.
Oh wow.
I mean mini tee obviously for girls. And then they kind of go with the glitters. This is really this is obviously the girl rack, but what we see is a brand new Loungefly. So it is pastel. It has an outdoor pocket, which is something we don't outside pocket, which normally don't see. Side things for phones and water bottles. The print is Mickey and Minnie. Very pastel, cream background, flowers everywhere. Clearly celebrating Minnie, which is right there on the hat. That's awesome. I'm kind of going to keep going around and stay on this one because this is pretty neat. Because now what we find is Stitch ears, which is awesome. And then they have the Stitch Loungefly, Stitch and Angel. And it is June in Florida, so you are so not wearing that. But it's here. The other thing we do have, we go over to continue with the 4th of July. They have the 4th of July Mickey. He is amazing. Look on the bottom of his feet. Happy 250th. That's her 50th anniversary. And then down here they have the oversized bag, Mickey Mouse bag. And then they have the Mickey shirt. Now that's kind of parallel to Minnie, but it's a baseball shirt. But he is sporting his Uncle Sam outfit, looking awesome. And Daisy would not be undone, so Daisy has a new shirt too. It is a glittery sequin. I'm going football jersey, cheerleader-ish, but it is awesome. Daisy Duck, number 40. It's got her bow. It's right there. It's fantastic. And then they come back through with all the other stuff they have. And wait, now they do continue to still have some of the 2025 stuff and Minnie Mouse. So we're going to peel around because we're trying not to get in the way. Now, Minnie is big in here today. They have the Minnie sports shirts, and then they do have the Mickeys. And really neat, they do have the golf balls. Minnie, Goofy, and Donald. Interesting they don't have a mini golf ball, but that's a conversation for a different time.
You want these?
And now the t-shirts. Now we have noticed when we talked about the t-shirt changing as the times change. This kind of seems similar. It has the villain shirts, Goofy movie. And there's a Hudson Hornet we haven't seen before. I haven't seen before. And they do have the 4th of July shirt up there. Now what they've done with these hats I love. See what they now is have every character has one of these hats. Which it has a cream cap, the embroidered character, and then the bill that matches the character. Really awesome. Great hat. They still got, now you got the 4th of July ears there as well, but then they have the entire array of ears they have over there. And we kind of cut through. Now we've seen these sweatshirts before. Again, it's going to be a real feel temperature Friday of 113. So I doubt you're wearing this, but you never know. What you might be doing is using that towel. So obviously you have the Minnie, Donald going with the churros and the drinks out to the pool area. And here's the rest of the pool. Crocs and all those things. And that visor that I just got for my birthday, the Mickey visor. So happy. And then they have all the drink cups. Oh, there's some unhappy little guys who are tired tonight. And then they have all the drink cups and really the big heavy duty ones. Mickey with it looks almost like an Epcot backdrop. Old fashioned. And then obviously you have all the snacks and all the things in there. They go all the way through. Coming back out this way, I'm going to come against this wall. I love the fact that they did this. So when they remodeled, they created these little like lockers. So this is Goofy's locker with his cleats and the football and the volleyball, the boxing gloves. It's all in there. Trophies, helmets. It's just a really neat effect. And then if we come around, there's another one over here. Let's take a look at this. Now, there's another Goofy one. Now, this one is the spring sports. That's the fall sports. These are the spring sports. So you have baseball. Except they have ice skates. So I may be wrong on that one. But they have fishing and they have all that other stuff. So, okay, it is Goofy. Then you have basically your Mickey hardcore sports kind of wardrobe. The big football jersey. You got the rugby shirt up there. The Crocs and the hats. And then this rugby shirt with the hood is great, but again, it's toasty. And you kind of get more into the women's clothing. And so it's a little more crop cut. And then it has bottles and everything else. And here is the All-Star merch. And we love the fact that they come with their own merchandise. So it's great also they had red, white, and blue in the All-Star merchandise. They had the bottles, they had the pins, and they had the sweatshirts. So really, and I would say this, and I say this every time we come into these stores, I am just so impressed. And you know what? I missed something. Hold on. I missed because somebody's in front of me, guy here. Most magical day ever sweatshirt. So now we're seeing a lot of the characters all being here. Now this is literally what was on that beach towel that we saw earlier. So the most magical day ever. So it's a new branding that they're bringing out. Now they did a lot of the all characters. This is different. Now looking at the snacks. If you look at the top, the stopper is a Mickey head. This is Monroe Magic, Casual Selfie, Snack It Up. So these are things that make your most magical day ever, all on a water bottle. It's awesome. And then they also come up with their own taffy for $11.99, and chocolate bars for $16.99 each of the characters on it. And they're different flavors. Vegan dark, milk chocolate pretzel. It's awesome. Milk chocolate pineapple coconut. What? And cotton candy. And then they do have, of course, the backpack. It's not a lounge fly, it's a backpack. Let's do the other side real quick. They come with their own character sets for it. They've done everything. And then you have Mickey with his most magical day ever. He has his map and everything he wants to do. And then you have the hard plastic. So this is just a new series they just launched, literally just launched, because we haven't seen it before. So first time you're gonna see it here on Florida Parks After Dark. But with that being said, guys, George, Florida Parks After Dark. Listen, do me a favor, like and subscribe. You have subscribed enough to get us over 10,000. We're trying to get to 11,000. We're getting close. But besides that, go ahead and comment. We love your comments. It means a lot to us to see them and answer them. With that being said, guys, take care and have a fantastic evening.